Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to draw this drawing by using these measurements. Okay guys, so length is total 72, height is 65. Okay, in this between offset 12. This one is the center line. In this by using center line we have to give the offset 10, this side also 10, up to this distance 26. So we are using this measurement in AutoCAD. Now we are going to start the in AutoCAD. See, total length is PL command, enter, then you have to use here ortho button F8. It will on here. So here 72, enter, height 65, enter, same thing 65, enter. This one we need to snap. So we are going to draw the center line. Now in this one offset is 10, offset, enter, you have to type 10, then select, then this side 10, this side 10. So here now it is completed. Here offset is 10. So in this one to here this side we need to give the offset 12. So offset command, enter, then we need to select, enter, 12, then here offset inside 12, this one also inside 12. So now this part completed. This one offset also we have given 12. So we want to create this shape. So we are going to, now we need to command PL, this one select here, this one, enter, same 12 offset we have given, right? Select this one to this one, then we need to remove this one, these lines. Now drawing is ready. So we'll check drawing. See, we have draw this line, length, this one, center line, this line, offset also. So now we are pending with dimensions. So we are going to give the dimensions now. Okay, now here we need to select linear, then select height is 65, length 72, this offset is 12. So I will give downside. So this offset up to here 10, this offset also 10, this one offset means this length 26, same this side also 26, this height is same 65, this one also. So in this between this one 48. So now it is everything is completed, right? So if you want this one color, we can change the color also. Select, if you give us some color it will change. So now it is looking good. So now it is drawing is completed. Now we will check the image with drawing. See, now we have 48 length, this one 48, total length is 72, this in between gap offset 12, height 65, this one offset is 26, in between offset 10, this one also total 26, height is 20, 65 height. Okay guys, we have completed drawing by using measurement. It's look now good. Okay guys, like this we can draw the, by using measurement we can draw like this drawing. Okay guys, thank you.